Hey guys, let me show you what came in. These are felt tips, they're felt buffing tips for the Dremel. And I also got the gooseneck for the Dremel. Now another little trick I'm going to show you guys is you can put cotton balls on the end of these tips. It does a heck of a job. Hold on, let me get my my jeweler's rouge. Now we're using Mother's and we're using jeweler's rouge too. So what we're going to do, we're going to do the inside, the fins, everything, anything I can reach, we're doing. It's actually a little easier than I thought it was going to be. And all you do is you just go like this right here. Then we're going to get in between our we're going to get in between our fins. And this is going to take time, guys. And if it takes all winter, cool. This has to come out like a freaking mirror. Okay, now we're going to do a big land. So let me take my tip. I keep on hitting my head on a goddamn handlebar. I keep on forgetting the handlebars there. Maybe I should just take the handlebar off. So, you know, what I did is I put a piece of cotton over one of my big tips. And we'll use Mother's. We'll just dip the Mother's in it. And we'll do a land. The landing. Get this one here too. Now, god damn it, I keep on hitting my head on that fucking handlebar. I'll tell you what, it's coming out good. It's going to take time, that's for sure. Yippery, man, it's going to take some time, Jack. You know what, guys, hold on a minute, man. Okay, so I did this one here. I did this a little bit right here. I got to get some smaller bits to get in there. I did the top of the... Now, when we do the top, when we do the top of the fin landings, we're also doing underneath here too. I mean, those aren't done. I like to try to get a little farther in. You know, and you can use like these small ones here even For this one here, this is probably good. See, that fits right in there like that. You know, here's a used one. I did this side here a little bit. That's why this has to come off. That way I can get in there. Because I'm just not doing where it's showing, guys. I'm getting in the sides. I'm going to get as much as the engines I could possibly get. And I'm also going to polish the carburetor too. I'm going to take the carb off and I'm going to polish the carburetor also. I'll probably, now I did my shifting rod the other day. You can see the shifting rod, that's been polished. I think I told you guys I polished my my controls. Polish that, you know. Yeah, this has to come off. That way we can get the sides of the fins. And we'll take the carburetor off and we'll polish the carburetor too. But that's a nice little trick. You know, you could put a little bit of cotton on your tips. And that's all she takes. It's going to take some time, but you know. Now this jeweler's rouge I got. This is, I think this is number 6, if I'm not mistaken. But this stuff here does wonders, believe it or not. Oh, and I also got the head in behind the Rebel, the cylinder. Well, not the head, the cylinders. Brand new. Comes with pistons. Comes with piston rings. All the rings. Comes with the gaskets. You see, we already got the engine apart. Now we got to take off the stator. We'll take off the one-way clutch. Take that guide off. We're going to rip this gasket off. I'm putting all new gaskets on it. Then this is the clutch side. We're going to take the clutch out. And yeah, I think then all the little, like the shifter, the shifting dog, the oil pumps in here, that'll come off. There's a couple gears in here that's come off. Then when you take this apart, this side here has to be face down, otherwise all your gears will fall out. I learned that the last time I did this. So basically what we'll do when we split the halves, this will be laying down on the bench. And that part there will be faced up. And this time I'm going to try not to have the gears all fall out. Because I'll tell you, it's a son of a bitch, man, trying to figure out where the damn gears go in the transmission.